Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera and good morning class. Class, how are you today? You good? Not good? I hope you good always with your parents, with your family. Today, we discussed about chapter 1. Chapter 1 is index. So, in the study today is objective for learning is writing a number in index notation enable the number state in a simple and easily understood form. And then to repeat multiplication index form and describe its meaning. Lastly is rewrite a number in index form and vice versa. Okay, before start the topic, teacher can exploration about meaning of index notation. So for meaning of index notation is index notation or exponential form, a way of representing repeat multiplication of the same number by writing the number as a base with the number of repeats written as a small number to its upper right. So this is a meaning of index notation. So today we are discuss index notation. Teacher hope you understand for teacher teach for today. So for the what is multiplication in index form? So the development of technology not only make most of our daily tasks easier, it also shape expand in various fields. For instance, the use the memory continue about the learning today is index notation is what is repeat multiplication in index form. So the development of technology not only makes most of our daily tasks easier, it also shapes expense in various ways. For instance, the use of memory card in digital camera enable user to store photograph in large number and to delete or edit unsuitable photograph before printing. In the early stage, memory cards were made with capacity of 4 MB. The capacity increased over time to meet the demands of users. Do you know that the capacity of memory card is calculated using a special form that is 2 to n? In Form 1, you have learned that 4 square equal 4 times 4 times 4. The number 4 square is written in index notation. 4 is a base and 3 is the index or exponent. The number is read as 4 to the power of 3. Hence, a number in index notation or in index form can be written as a. N is index, A is base. A, N. A is a base, N is a index. For example, 4. 4 is a base, and then 5 is a index. I repeat again, A is a base, N is index. For example is 4 square 5. 4 is base and 5 is index. We have also learned that 4 square 2 equal 4 times 4 and 4 square 3 equal 4 times 4, 4 times 4. For example, you look this 4 square 4 equal 4 square 2. This is a repeat 2 times. 2 times. For 2 is a index. The value of index is 2. And then repeat 2 times is the value of index is the same as the number of times 4 is multiply repeatedly. For the example 2 is 4 times 4 times 4 equal 4 square 3. 3 is the value of index is 3, and then 4 is repeat 3 times. Repeat 3 times. So the value of index is the same as the number of times 4 is multiplied repeatedly. For the example 2 is 4 times 4 times 4 equal 4 square 3. 3 is the value of index is 3, and then 4 is repeat 3 times. Repeat 3 times. So the value of index is the same as the number of times 4 is multiplied repeatedly. Question C is M times M times M times M times M times M times M. So the answer is M. How much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So m is 7. M 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So m square 7. This is an answer for C. And then for question D is n times 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 n. So n is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n square 8. This is answer for D. For example 2 is convert the numbers or algebraic term in index form into repeat multiplication. For question A is bracket negative 4 square 3. So repeat multiplication. Repeat for the answer A is bracket negative 4 multiply bracket negative 4 multiply bracket negative 4. For this is a answer for A. This is a repeat 1, 2, 3. And then for question B is bracket 3.5 multiply bracket 3.5 multiply bracket 3.5 multiply bracket 3.5. So have 1, 2, 3, 4 repeat multiplication. For question C is bracket 4 over 6 index 6 square 6. So the answer is bracket 4 over 6 multiply 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 bracket 4 over 6 and then bracket 4 over 6. So how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 index. So the answer C is this. For question D is bracket 3m square 5. So this answer is bracket 3m multiply bracket 3m multiply bracket 3m multiply bracket 3m multiply bracket 3m. So this is answer for repeat multiplication for question D. And then for question E, example E, bracket negative q multiply 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 negative bracket negative q. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a answer for example E. And then For question I, bracket 1 over n multiply 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 bracket 1 over n. So 1 2 3 4 5 multiply bracket 1 over n multiply bracket 1 over n. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 more again multiply bracket 1 over n. So this is a answer of repeat multiplication for I. And lastly, example is bracket m multiply bracket m multiply bracket m multiply bracket m. So how much? 1 2 3 4. So this is a repeat multiplication for J. So this is for example repeat multiplication. I give your exercise 1 and exercise 2 for improve the subtopic. So you do the exercise, okay? You can ask me when you not understand. Okay, this is exercise 1. State the following repeat multiplication index from AN. So have A, B, C, D. So for question, and then exercise 2 is calculate the value of each of the following number in index form. So the question is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 question. Okay. Conclusion of chapter 1 index is you have understand for index notation is two part. Part 1 is following repeat multiplication in index form A, and then part 2 is convert the number or algebraic term in index form into repeat multiplication. Make sure you understand I teach today. When you not understand, you can ask me anytime. You can messenger me, you can WhatsApp me in group, WhatsApp personal with me for question you not understand. Okay, enough for today. Thanks you for our attention for today. Okay, thank you. Bye bye dan selamat pagi. So today I teach subtopic 1.2 law of index. Before I discuss about law of index, I flashback. You study tomorrow is a law index notation. Index notation is a two part. We study to repeat multiplication. Write the following repeat multiplication in index form AN, and then convert the numbers or algebraic terms in index form into repeat multiplication. So today I teach about law of index. For objective learned today is relate the multiplication of numbers in index form with the same base, to repeat multiplication and hence make generalization, and to relate the division of numbers in index form with the same base, to repeat multiplication and hence makes generalization, and lastly is relate the numbers in index form raised to a power, to repeat multiplication and hence make generalization. 1.2 is law of index. What is the relationship between multiplication of numbers in index form with the same base and repeat multiplication? So brainstorming one is M, to identify the relationship between multiplication of numbers in index form with the same base and repeat multiplication. Steps 1. Study example A and complete example B and C. 2. Discuss with your friend and state three other examples. 3. Exhibit 3 examples in the mathematics corner for other group to give feedback. For question A is 2 square 3 multiply 2 square 4. So bracket 2 multiply 2 multiply bracket 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply. For equation is 2 square 7. This is a 7 factors, and then 2 square 3 multiply 2 square 4. So for the answer is 2. When multiply is a change to plus 2 square 3 plus 4, and then the answer is 2 square 7. And then for the question B, 3 square 2 multiply 3 square 3. So 2 factor bracket 3 multiply 3 multiply bracket 3 factor 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Equation is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 4 is answer. This answer is 3 square 5. So the example 3 square 2 plus 3 square 3. So 3 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer is 3 square 5. And then for section C is 5 square 4 multiply 5 square 2. So bracket 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So 4 factor, and then multiply bracket 5 bracket 5 multiply 5. So 2 factor. For example is index is 6 because 6 factors. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So the answer is 5 square 4 8 plus 5 square 2. So the answer is 5 square 6. So this is answer. And then form brainstorming 1, it is found that 2 square 3 multiply 2 square 4. Answer 2. So multiply change to plus and then 2. So 3 plus 4 is 2. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So the answer is 2 square 7. And then 1, 2. 2 is 3 square 2. 3 square 2 multiply 3 square 3. So 3, 2 plus 3. So the answer is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer 3. So 3 square 5. And then for question 3 is 5 square 4 multiply 5 square 2. And then the answer 5. 5 is a base. And then 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So the answer is 5 square 6. So this is a conclusion for the I discussed before it. And then so in general is A M multiply AN. So multiply change to plus. So A, what A, and then M plus N. So the answer is, this is a answer. Okay, this is his answer. A M plus N and then A. This is answer for the question. And for example, the question is simplify each of the following. So for A, 7 multiply 7 square 2 multiply 7 square 3. So 7. Tadi I tell multiply change to plus. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So the answer is 2. The answer is 7. 2 make calculator. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 7 square 5. So this is a answer. And then for question 2 is bracket 0.2 square 2 plus multiply square 0.2 square 2 multiply square 0.2 square. So the answer is square 0.2 is so 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. So the answer is bracket 0 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So the answer is bracket 0.2 square 6. So for the question C is 2k square 2 multiply 4k 3. So 2 and k is multiply 2 multiply 4 and then k is put there k square 2 plus k square 3. So the answer 2 multiply 4 is 8. So k is write tulis macam tulis this 2 plus 3 is 5. So 8k square 5. So this is answer 8k square 5. So for the question D is m square 3 multiply n square 2 multiply m square 4 multiply n square n. So pisahkan m dengan n. So m 3 square 3 8 plus 4 and then n multiply n square 2 plus square 2 plus square 5. So the answer is m 3 plus 4 is 7 and then multiply n to square 2 plus 5 is 7. So the answer is m square 7 and n square 7. So this is the answer for example D. And then for E, this is the same. Pisahkan. So I write here. You look. Bracket 0.3 square 2 plus square 1 plus square 3. So 2 plus square 1 plus square 3. So multiply bracket 0.2 square 2 plus square 5. So the answer is bracket 0.3 2 plus 1 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So 0.3 square 6 multiply bracket 0.2 square 2 plus 5 is 7. So the the answer is square 0. Bracket 0.3 square 6 multiply bracket 0.2 square 7. So this is a answer for question E. And for the question example F is a divide. So divide change to minus. Sorry, I forget. So change to minus. Divide change to minus. So square 4 minus 2. So the answer is 5 square 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 5 square 2. So this answer for example F. And then G is bracket -3 square 4 divide bracket -3 square 2 divide bracket -3. So the answer, this is a square 1. So this answer is bracket -3 for square 4 minus 2 and then minus 1. So the answer is bracket -3 square 4 minus 2 minus 1. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is a answer for example G. And then for the last question. Last question is M square 4 n square 3 divide M square 2 n square 1, and then M 4 minus 2. So square 4 minus square 2, 4 minus 2, and then multiply n square 3 minus 1. So this is a answer. M 4 minus 2 is 2 divided and 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is M square 2 and square 2. So this is a answer for the example H. Is exercise for 1.2. This is a 8 question. You can make exercise for today. Enough for listen today for law of index. Next time I teach about new subtopic. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.